Updating your legal name on Apple News is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Open Apple News. Launch the Apple News app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your Apple ID account associated with your subscription. Step 2. Access account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use AirStrike to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Edit your name. In the account settings menu, look for the option to edit your personal information. Tap on your name to enter the editing mode where you can input your new legal name. Step 4. Save changes. After entering your new legal name, ensure you save the changes. Look for a save button or similar option to confirm the update. Step 5. Verify update. Once you have saved your changes, it is a good idea to verify that your name has been updated correctly. Refresh the app or log out and back in to check your profile. By following these steps, you can quickly update your legal name on Apple News. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.